AmazingSchoolAssemblies.com, Chris Johnson's Amazing School Assemblies. I want to thank you for visiting this webpage. This show is all about the environment. It's called Pollution Solution, and this show teaches kids in a fun way all kinds of amazing things about the environment. It teaches kids the difference between fresh water and salt water, teaches them what the 3 R's are, and we also add a 4th R, which the teachers will really like a lot. It teaches air pollution and prevention, teaches electricity and water conservation, and so much more. It teaches kids little things that they can do today that will make a big difference later on, and why this is so important. And most importantly, we use a lot of really fun magic during the show to enhance the concepts, help kids remember everything, and illustrate what I am talking about. So now, check out some fun clips from the Pollution Solution Show.
This little bit of garbage out in front of the ground is a big deal, but then everybody started doing it. Lots of people started doing it. And you know what happened? When everybody started doing this, the ground, it started adding up. And the problem got bigger, and 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 bigger, until these farms are a great big mess. How would you guys like to Now, here's what you're going to do. You are going to be a window. We're going to pretend you're a window. So every time the window is closed, we're saving energy. Every time your mouth is open, we're wasting energy. Open up your mouth. Okay, window open. Close your mouth. Window closed. Good. Because whenever your window's closed, you're saving heat, you're saving AC whenever you keep the window closed. When the window's open, however, open up your mouth. Wasting money. Look at that. That's weird. Okay, mouth closed. Saving money. Look at the audience. Open your mouth. Look at that. Every time you leave a window open and the heat is on, and the air conditioning is on, the AC, you're wasting money. Okay, mouth closed. Good. Mouth open. There's one in your ear, buddy. Get that one out of your ear. Oh, there's one in your nose, buddy. Take that one out of your nose. Oh!